am Rajib. I am in class 4. I study at Azimia Government Primary School in Chatpur. Our school starts with the assembly in the morning. It's a gathering of all the teachers and students in the school field. Every class leads the assembly for a week in turns. At the beginning of the daily assembly, we recite from the holy books. Then we sing our national anthem and salute to the national flag. We also repeat the oath after the assembly leader. Finally, we do physical exercise. It's the best time to meet all the students and teachers of our school. Assembly, সমাবেশ, gathering, জমায়েত, morning, সকাল, leads, নেতৃত্ব, interns, পালাক্রমে, beginning, শুরু, recite, আবৃত্তি করা, holy books, পবিত্র গ্রন্থ, national anthem, জাতীয় সঙ্গীত, salute, সালাম জানানো, national flag, জাতীয় পতাকা, oath, শপথ, leader, নেতা, repeat, পুনরাবৃত্তি করা, physical exercise, শারীরিক ব্যায়াম, finally, শেষে, multiple choice question. Where does Rajib study? Azimia Government Primary School. When does the school start? In the morning. What is an assembly? A gathering of teachers and students. Where is the assembly held? In the school field. How long does each class lead the assembly? On week. What do students recite at the beginning of the assembly? Holy books. Which song do they sing in the assembly? National anthem. To whom do they salute? National flag. What do they do at the end of the assembly? Physical exercise. Rajib is in which class? Class 4. Answer the questions. What is the name of the student? The name of the student is Rajib. Which class does Rajib read in? He reads in class 4. Where does Rajib study? He studies at Azimia Government Primary School. When does the school start? The school starts in the morning. What is an assembly? An assembly is a gathering of teachers and students. Where is the assembly held? The assembly is held in the school field. What do students recite in the assembly? They recite from the holy books. What do they sing? They sing the national anthem. What do they do at last? They do physical exercise. Why is assembly the best time? Because all students and teachers meet together. Fill in the blanks. Rajib is in class 4. He studies at Azimia Government Primary School. The school starts with the assembly. Assembly is held in the school field. Every class leads the assembly for a week. Students recite from the holy books. They sing the national anthem. They salute to the national flag. They repeat the oath after the leader. Finally, they do physical exercise. Write from of verb. Rajib studies in class 4. The school starts in the morning. Students gather in the field. Every class leads the assembly. We recite from the holy books. We sing the national anthem. Students salute the national flag. We repeat the oath. They do physical exercise. Assembly is the best time. Matching table. Column A, column B. Assembly, gathering, morning, early daytime, field, open ground, teacher, guide, students, learner, recite, read aloud, anthem, national song, flag, national symbol, oath, promise, exercise, physical work, English to English word meanings, gathering, a group of people coming together in one place. Leads, shows the way or takes charge in turns, one after another. Beginning, the start of something. Recite, to read or say aloud. Anthem, a special song of a country. Salute, to show respect. Oath, a promise spoken aloud. Exercise, physical activities to keep the body fit. Assembly, a meeting of teachers and students together. Rajiv is in class 4. He studies at Azimia Government Primary School. Our school starts with the assembly in the morning. The assembly is a gathering of teachers and students. Every class leads the assembly for a week. We recite from the holy books. We sing the national anthem. The students salute to the national flag. We repeat the oath after the leader. Finally, we do physical exercise. Fill in the blanks using at in. I study at Azimia Government Primary School. Rajiv lives in Chatpur. The students are playing in the school field. Our school starts at 8 o'clock in the morning. My father is at the market now. She lives in Dhaka city. The teacher is standing in the classroom. We meet at the assembly every morning. He was at home yesterday evening. The children are sitting in the room.